Hello everyone! Happy Saturday night! Welcome back to my channel. This is your fourth stimulus check update and daily news report. In today's video, I will be going over how the Social Security program is being changed by the Biden administration and how the American people will benefit from the new massive spending bills. The three winners of this week's Walmart gift card giveaway are Victoria Nolan, Donna Durbin, and Joaquim Raposo. Next Friday, I will be giving away more Walmart gift cards. For more details on how to enter the giveaway, please make sure you watch until the end of this video. When Congress approved $1.9 trillion in stimulus payments to millions of Americans earning less than $75,000 as part of the American Rescue Plan, it was billed as an effort to bolster the struggling economy ahead of its recovery coming out of this crisis. To understand how much another round of stimulus checks would cost, we would have to look at the costs associated with past measures. As part of the American Rescue Plan, Congress authorized spending $1.9 trillion, which included $1,400 in direct payments as stimulus relief. The plan also extended unemployment benefits, which added even more cost to the plan and final spending bill, which was supported by Democrats and many Republicans. The cost of the CARES Act, which was the first stimulus relief package, had a per-taxpayer cost of approximately $16,800. Payments to millions of Americans were $200 less in that first round, but the income qualifications did not change significantly in the 2021 version of the relief. There is growing concern that with the rise, even more aid could be needed, especially if the economic recovery is sluggish because we're heading into the winter months. While the previous stimulus checks caused increased economic activity in some sectors, economists have worried they may have also caused some of the inflation that has been reported recently. While the Federal Reserve said late last week that it was not concerned with the aid to Americans or its role in creating additional inflation, the rate of inflation began to slow in late summer. The keyword for this video is star, so please make sure to comment below with the keyword. Lawmakers and activists gathered in Detroit, Michigan, advocating for President Biden's $1 trillion infrastructure plan approved earlier this month. Senator Bernie Sanders, chair of the Build Back Better Budget Committee, said some Republicans who are willing to give tax breaks to the rich are also eager to kick 30 million people off health care by revoking the Affordable Care Act. Bernie Sanders had told reporters the tie-breaking vote may come down to the vice president. Republican friends are saying we can't because we're going to raise taxes. They are right. We are finally going to raise taxes on the rich who are not paying their fair share. The town hall comes amid ongoing negotiations and drafting of the infrastructure bill and a $3.5 trillion budget reconciliation bill, which is expected to be unveiled next month. The bipartisan plan received a 69-30 vote, including Senate Republican leader Mitch McConnell, and is a cornerstone of President Biden's agenda. Rashida Tlaib said that the effort goes beyond improving roads and bridges to focus on the care economy to support families and also address climate threats. According to Senator Sanders, the bill would help millions of Americans across this nation. Childcare is $15,000 a year on average, but with the new plan, no family in America would pay more than 7% of their income. An expansion of Medicare would also cover dental, hearing aids, eyeglasses for seniors, and lower the age for eligibility. Home health care would also be expanded to pay caregivers a living wage to take care of the elderly and disabled. Bernie Sanders did state, "We put money into communities like Detroit that are already suffering significantly the brunt of climate change, especially what it means in terms of flooding and the lack of electricity," he said. This bill will be the largest single investment by far in American history. We are going to deal with climate, deal with housing, deal with childcare, deal with home health care, and we're going to put millions of people back to work at good-paying union jobs. So everyone, what are your thoughts on the current infrastructure plan? Please leave them in the comments section below. Social Security benefits are getting a boost for 2022, potentially the biggest bump in the last 40 years. While the annual increase could be as high as 6.2% due to inflation, that monthly check may not go as far as you think. Social Security's cost of living adjustment, which is also known as COLA, is calculated each year by using the Consumer Price Index for urban wage earners and clerical workers. It makes a calculation for the 2022 based on data through the third quarter. AARP also noted that the Social Security Administration typically announces that amount of the annual adjustment during the month of October. The increase in benefits typically goes into effect in January. While a 6% increase may seem substantial, it does not necessarily mean a bigger income. Thank you so much for joining me here. I hope you found some of this information helpful. Remember that next Friday, I will be giving away more Walmart gift cards. To enter my giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also comment below the keyword of the day. Please know that there will be a keyword in each video, and whomever has the most correct keywords entered by next Friday's video will be automatically placed on the giveaway. There will be a total of 17 keywords. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a very blessed Saturday night.